Hello and welcome to the multiplayer tutorial. First thing we're going to do is host a game. Two ways we can do that, either via workshop, if we head over there into host, or we can host our own games by going through this portal here. This will bring up a list of all the games that we've made, every single world, and also the built-in worlds. We can host them as well. I'm going to pick one that I've made, Cool World. So the minute I go through that portal, it then creates a multiplayer game, shows it is available, and other people can join. So let's just wait for some people to join. We've got some quests here to do. We can actually do them together. So when people join your game in a co-op world, which is the usual spawn pad, you then share the quests. So you have to go pick them up individually, but the kills, the collections, they all count for everybody. So we'll just pick up this first quest here. See Rick's here, Massbot's here, and Mike's here. They're going to head over and start killing things. Don't be very lazy and just watch. There we go. So if I just check my quest log, we can see it counts as 2 of 2 skeletons. So we just need to pick up a couple of skulls. So I'll let those guys pick them up. There we go, quest ready, so we can hand that in now. And there we go, so that's the basics of hosting a game. You can share quests, it all counts towards the same goals. You can't attack each other, it's all nice and friendly. So that's hosting. This time we're going to host a PvP game. Go through the portal exactly the same, but I'm going to pick Greendale Arena, which is PvP. This actually does show up to other people that it is PvP, so when they're looking through the list of games to join, it will have PvP before the name, so they don't blindly join a game and then get smashed to pieces by everyone else. So I've joined, waiting for the other players to come in. So it looks like I'm on the red team. In this arena you've got the red team spawn pad over here, and then the opposite side is the blue. So I've got someone else on my team. Massbot, my partner in crime. And you can see the other guys have spawned in the other side. So at the moment it's kind of in skirmish mode, so you can wait for people to join. They're already smashing things up, so we can actually fight them. You can see they're the blue team. Very violent lot. And also it's worth mentioning that you can see the bottom left is the chat text, and we can see Mike Johnson has tumbled Massbot, and also Massbot's talking. If I want to talk back, and you can do this in the normal co-op, I'm going to die while I'm talking. In the normal co-op you can do this, you just press enter and then you can type, right, hello, there we go, and then that's sent to every other player. Because this is PvP, it's also showing it in my team colour. If it was the usual kind of co-op, then it would show everyone's name as green. If I want to start a game now, I can then press F2 once we've got everyone in there. Just press F2 and then the proper match begins, which it will then start keeping score. This is it. This is exactly the same in co-op, that if I wanted to change the world that we're in, rather than necessarily going through a portal, I could just press F3, and if you look at the top right of the screen you can see select new world. So if you ever want to change worlds, just press F3. The other people will get then a message saying that the host is choosing another world. That's about it for hosting. Very simple to do, people can just join, lots of fun. So next thing will be joining a game. So joining is very similar, just going through a different portal. See what games are available. So there's 3 games up at the moment. So I'm going to join Massbot's game. So he then sends me the world. I join. There I am. Say hello. That's all there is to it. One difference between hosting and joining are the portals. If you're hosting the game, then you're the only one that can go through the portals. If you run up to another portal, nothing will happen. It's only the hosts that can trigger it. There we go, so we got some guys, and off we go. And again, it's co-op. On the Gauntlet map, which has got a crazy amount of enemies. Rick's leveled up. So, that's multiplayer in a nutshell.